Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I have a new subscription you may want to check out. This is a brand new subscription, not just to the channel, but in general. FABFITFUN has come out with a monthly subscription, the Beauty Edit. So FABFITFUN still has their seasonal box, but now they have a monthly subscription, the Beauty Edit. This is going to be $29.99 a month. Plus tax. I think ours was $32 and change once we paid taxes. And it has, I forget honestly if it's 4 or 5 products in it. We'll find out here in a minute. But they're all full size and you get to pick every single category. So it has categories just like you're used to with regular FABFITFUN. But these are all beauty products. So you're going to have makeup, skincare, hair care, no household products, thank goodness. Only beauty, which in my opinion is the best of FABFITFUN, is their beauty products. So I could not wait to jump on this one. We signed up as soon as we could for this one. Just got my first box in, and I want to show you. So I haven't opened it. I forgot what I ordered. Let me do you a quick peek. Okay, so it's got paper. Oh, look how cute. Beauty box. Ooh la la. That is adorable. Oh, it's full of stuff. Okay, so this has a ton of stuff in it. Maybe even, there's more than a few products in here. So there we go, sneak peek. So I thought I was being smart when oh, the top is cute, I showed you. I thought I was being smart when I was picking and I was trying to do screenshots of every category so I could show you all the stuff that I had to choose from so I could explain what the new stuff is. I only got a few and I don't know which categories they were from. Something happened. So probably operator error. But they were brands like Patrick Ta, Rare Beauty, Glow Recipe. There was Isla Beauty. All kinds of really great brands to choose from. And you get to pick every single product all full size. So there are 5 products. So there's 5 categories you get to pick. I'm pretty sure 5. So there are 5 categories and you get to pick your product from each one. So I'm going to start with, we have from Nutrafol full of strength set. So we got a Nutrafol set. And this is a Physicians Formula Duo. Let me get my glasses. It says Physician Formula Duo to strengthen hair visibly and reduce damage. And this is a root purifying shampoo and a strand defender conditioner. So they have a lot of claims on there. Let's open it up. It's heavy too. They're little, and I believe when I said these were full size, I think I was right, but this is weird that it's tiny if it's full size. I'll have to verify if this is full size or not, but they're little. But they're from Nutrafol. I'm not going to open them, but you twist off the top and squirt it through, and we got 2.5 ounces each. 2 ounces. 2 ounces each for these. And I'll figure out the values and put them up here in the corner for you guys as we go through. But the box was $29 and change, 30 bucks. And this is our first one. So that was product number 1. Now, I don't know if this is category 1. Again, I'm sorry. I'll do better next time. Get you the right information. But this is our first product, whether it's category 1 or not. I do not know. Our next product, I did get the Rare Beauty Blush. And I forgot the value of this. I think it's in the 20s or $30 if I recall, but I don't. So I'll put it in the corner. But we got a really cute, you guys remember my scissor hack? Stick it under the edge and flip it up. Keeps you from ripping your boxes, which nobody likes to do. This came very well packaged. Look at that beautiful color. We got a shimmery pink. That's really, really pretty. So that was one of our other categories. So we got makeup so far and hair care. So far, so good. I'm happy with both of those. I did get to pick all mine. I will say some of the categories are still, pick the best option for you that you can. It may not be exactly what you would want, but you only have those choices to pick from. Our next one, we got a little Skylar perfume, and this is a little purse-size. This is a little Skylar Boardwalk Delight perfume. So this is going to be a purse-size perfume. I'm just going to leave it in the baggie because I'm not going to start it yet. But this was I've been trying so many new perfumes, and I thought this was fun to try a new perfume and see how it's nice. But we got that one. Our next one is Aaliyah. I'm sorry, I said Isla, but Aaliyah. And this is a lip crayon. So I thought this was going to be kind of a fat lipstick. I'm sorry, the lighting in here. That's a little better. The sun is coming through the window and messing with my light. Okay, so this is a little lip crayon. It's actually a little thicker than I thought just from looking at the box. But that's also the shade we got. Is the color on the cap is the same shade. And this is, I think this says the color is genre. And we did get a cute little one. I'll put, again, the value for it here in the corner. Last but not least, we got Glow Recipe. So this is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. So Glow Recipe is a great one, always. It's not terribly expensive if you buy it from Sephora or Ulta, but it's nice when you can get it in a box. So it's a beautiful bottle, glass, very pretty. And this, I guess that's supposed to look like a guava. And we got our Glow Recipe. So let me show you one more time our box products. We got our Glow Recipe. We got our lip crayon. We got our perfume. We got our maybe full-size Nutrafol shampoo and conditioner. And we got our Rare Beauty blush. So we got 5 products for 30 bucks. That makes them $6 a piece. Every one of these is worth way over $6. So that is a great value. So I am so far impressed with the FABFITFUN Beauty Edit box. So I haven't got the picks for the January box. I have been billed for the January box. We signed up right before Christmas. So like I think the billing date showed the 21st. And then we got billed for the January box January 1st. So if it doesn't bill you based on when you signed up, it bills you at the first of the month, which is fine. I didn't realize that. And I looked at it like, should I have got my picks yet? I don't even know the schedule, honestly, for the picks. I'll have to check it out. But this was the first box from FABFITFUN Beauty Edit. I'm so glad that they came out with one I can enjoy every month now. I was kind of over the other box. I canceled it a long time ago because the household products were just and they were way overpriced. They were overvalued, in my opinion, for what you were getting, driving up, inflating the value of the box for not really the value that you were getting. So this, on the other hand, I think is well worth it, and you have concrete value because you can buy these products in Sephora and Ulta and all the good places. But we got our Glow Up from FABFITFUN. I'm really happy with this. I'm going to keep it for a little while at least. We'll see how it goes. But for now, we have our first Beauty Edit box from FABFITFUN. If you guys did enjoy this, please hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.